Navigating the world of Instagram Insights can be a game changer for anyone looking to maximize their impact on this vibrant platform. Whether you're a business, a content creator, or an influencer, understanding your audience is crucial, and that's where Insights come into play. To begin, ensure you have a business or creator account, as personal accounts don't have access to these features. Switching is simple and can be done through your profile settings. Once you have access, a treasure trove of data awaits you. At the core are metrics like accounts reached, accounts engaged, and total followers. These metrics provide a snapshot of how your content is performing and who is interacting with it. You can delve deeper by exploring Profile Page Insights, which offer an overview of your entire profile's performance. For more granular data, Post Insights reveal how individual posts are faring, while Reels, Stories, and live videos each have their own set of insights. The real magic happens when you use this data to refine your strategy. Regularly reviewing Insights allows you to see what content resonates most with your audience, enabling you to tailor future posts to their preferences. Timing is another critical factor. By understanding when your followers are most active, you can schedule posts to maximize engagement. Engaging with your audience through comments and direct interactions builds loyalty and fosters a community around your brand. Demographic insights further enhance your strategy by ensuring your content aligns with the interests and preferences of your audience. By leveraging these insights, you can not only grow your presence on Instagram, but also create a more meaningful connection with your audience, ultimately driving better results for your efforts on the platform.